Why is Imran Khan being denied basic constitutional right during protests?
You see, he's been isolated for at least 6 weeks. My sister was allowed to meet him on 2 Tuesdays because Tuesday is family and lawyers meeting day. That's been stipulated by the courts. So basically, they are in contempt of court on everything. There is no our justice system is, I would say, collapsed, completely collapsed. I don't think the judges. There are excellent judges. They have been sort of their autonomy has been basically withdrawn, or maybe they have passed a couple of amendments in the Constitution, which has made our courts completely ineffective. That's the 26th Amendment and the 27th Amendment. And the 27th Amendment is basically person-specific. A few people are giving themselves complete immunity from law. That's for Pakistanis. I think we are dealing with a shocking situation, and it's like a reality check for all of us. As far as Imran Khan is concerned, I think they even gave the Prime Minister complete immunity for life or something to that effect, and had to be withdrawn because they realized that Imran Khan might benefit from it and might be released from jail because of this complete immunity. But for sort of addressing the rumors that are going around that his life might be in danger or he's very ill. No. 3-4 weeks ago when my sister met him, he's completely in excellent health. So they can't claim that somebody's died of old age or he had any ailment. He doesn't. But I don't think they will even dare touch a hair on his head. I don't think they would even dare because these people understand very well that there's a huge amount of anger in Pakistan, a lot of anger. Otherwise, they wouldn't be going around giving themselves immunity at this rate. It is becoming a joke in Pakistan that a few people are giving themselves immunity for life. The only thing I can claim is that they would never dare even think of hurting him, because what will follow is I don't think anybody would be ready for what happens next. And you think people are going to sit around and let them live?